It doesn't need to turn on. Sometimes.
What's that?
Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Ah!
Alright.
Great. Maybe I'll just hold this.
Alright. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I've been doing with GHC iOS. Yeah, right. So if you're not familiar with GHC iOS, it is a project that was started by Stephen Blackheath a few years ago, and it is for compiling Haskell code onto the iOS operating system, so iPhones, iPads, etc. And so I was interested in writing my new project in Haskell, so I got involved with that project. And so I'm going to show you guys Spacetime. So Spacetime is a time-traveling multiplayer data store for iOS applications, which is quite a mouthful. So probably the easiest way to understand that is to just look at an app that actually uses it. So if I can find my mouse cursor. All right, so this is the first application that uses Spacetime. So this is called Infinite Sketchpad. It is a zoomable whiteboard. So we can like zoom way in here, find Haskell in there. It's not easy to use in the simulator. This is an iOS application, obviously. So yeah. So we can draw out here. So what Spacetime does is it kind of grants powers to applications. So the first thing it does is it adds time travel. So we can just fly back in time to the beginning of this document. So we can watch it be constructed as I draw each piece. And we can jump back to when there was only space, and we can jump back to the present again. And since we're all programmers, we're familiar with branching, so Spacetime can do that too. So we can jump back here again, and idle space, we'll just surround space. And so now we have a branch from this point, and we can jump back between the branches, choose which timeline we want to see. But the purpose of Spacetime, so time travel is just a side effect of the real reason that Spacetime exists, which is multiplayer. So we can just jump into this document. So now I'm on another device here. Oh, we're on a different branch. All right, so now I've joined this session from another device. And so so we can make modifications now. And you can see me kind of flying around here on an actual iPad. And we could join from another one if we wanted to. Yeah, so the purpose of Spacetime is basically to making multiplayer applications extremely easy. So the cool thing about this is that, so like Infinite Sketch was written about 3 years ago, before Spacetime even existed. And we were able to basically drop in Spacetime kind of under the data storage of this. And so we pretty much had to change no code in Infinite Sketch itself to make all of this work. It's basically just reacting to changes in the data store. So it kind of gets all of these special abilities for free. And yeah, so I'll show you one of their apps just to kind of show that it's not solely for drawing applications. All right, so this is an app called Mesh. It's kind of an homage. There's an app called Grid that we thought was pretty cool. That's a collaborative spreadsheet, basically. So we can take a picture of you lovely people from this device, and we'll see that sometime, possibly Demolec. I have to actually hit done. Sorry. Yes. All right. Up here over here, and we can add some text. Hello, everyone. Yeah. So we have all of these same multiplayer features in this application, which is just multiplayer or multimedia. We still have the time travel, so we can watch everything go back in time. So that is basically Spacetime. So this is 100% Haskell, running on, obviously, devices. We can run on the phone, too. We have this app running here. Take another picture. Actually, we can record some sound. Hello, everyone. I guess we won't be able to hear that. Anyway, yeah, and some other cool things about it. It uses Cloud Haskell internally, so every device is basically just a node in Cloud Haskell, and the binary that we run on the device is the same binary that we deploy in the server, so Spacetime can work peer-to-peer. It basically just implements the entire Git data model and can do pretty much anything Git can do except in real time and with arbitrary data rather than just text.
Okay, so that's the last experience report. So now